Hi, my name is Andrea J. Loney, and I want to talk about my elegy poem, Nza-Ari Khepra, The Orange Tree, and how I put that together. So, when I write a biography, the first thing I do is gather all the information on the person that I can, articles, videos, anything that I can, and I lay it all out and look at it and try to find some kind of a through line, like one story that I want to tell about that person, because people have big lives and there's a lot of material to work with, and I want to narrow it down to one specific story. So for this specific story about a girl whose dear friend was killed by gun violence, and she started a movement to help other people who knew people who were killed by gun violence, the image that kept coming to me was a teardrop, like a teardrop falling down someone's face and then landing in the dirt, and then a whole movement growing from that. So instead of thinking about teardrops, I thought about seeds, because seeds go in the dirt too, right? And that seed growing into a sprout, growing into an orange tree, growing into an entire orchard that spreads across a nation full of teardrops, full of people grieving, sad about people who they've lost to gun violence. So my suggestion, if you want to write a biography or a biographical poem, like I said, think about the person you want to write about and what you find interesting, compelling about them. Think of a metaphor for the part of the story that you want to tell, the part of their lives that you want to tell, and see if you can put those two things together. Like I put someone's heartbreak and sorrow turned into action and the growth of an orange tree that turns into an orchard. Good luck and enjoy.